In this class, we are going to solve examples on Millen's method and Adams-Bashforth method. First example, given that dy by dx is equal to x minus y square and the data y of 0 is 0, y of 0.2 is 0.02, y of 0.4 is 0.0795, y of 0.6 is 0.1762. You are given with the four set of values. Compute y at x equal to 0.8 by applying Millen's method, Adams-Bashforth method. In this example, you are given with a differential equation dy by dx is equal to x minus y square, and the data is given, that is x naught 0, x1 0.2, x2 0.4, x3 0.6 with respect to y naught, y1, y2, y3. So we need to find for x4, our x4 is 0.8, we need to find y4. For same set of data, we need to find y4 using Millen's method separately, using Adams-Bashforth method separately. So for same example, they asked you to use both the formulas separately. Why? Because for both the problems, table values will be same, only there is a difference in formulas. That's why you can use same table values to find the solution y4 using Millen's method and Adams-Bashforth method. One thing you can observe that y4, whatever method you use, Millen's method or Adams-Bashforth method, it will be same for same set of data. So before that, we first, according to the working procedure, we first construct the table using the given data. We prepare the following table, which is essentially required for the applying predictor and corrector formulae. So now the table, it contains 3 columns. First column, it contains x, it is y, and the next column is your differential equation value, that is y dash is equal to x minus y square. Now write down x naught, y naught, z, x naught, y1, x1, x2 and x3, x4. What is x naught? X naught is 0, it's 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 and x4 is 0.8. Then write their respective values. So it is, then y naught is 0, y1 is 0.02, y2 it is 0.0795, y3 0.1762. Our aim is to find y4. Now this is given data. So now using this, we are going to find y dash now. Y naught dash. Y dash means y naught dash. So y naught dash, just substitute x naught and y naught. X naught is 0 minus 0 square, so it is 0. Y1 dash, x1 is 0.2, y1 square is 0.02 square. When you simplify it, you will get 0.11996. Similarly, y2 dash, 0.4 minus 0.0795 whole square. Simplify it, you will get 0.3937. y3 dash, so it is 0.6 minus 0.1762 square. So when you simplify it, you will get 0.5689. Now once the table is prepared, it's final. Now you can use Millen's method and Adams-Bashforth method separately. Directly just write down the formulas and go on substituting the values. So Millen's method. So by Millen's method, we have the following. Take the formula, write down the y4 of p. In this, go on substituting the values. You know all the values, just substitute the values. y0 is 0 plus 4 times. Now directly by seeing the data, you can observe what is the step length. Given values is 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8. So what is the difference between them? 0.2. So h will be 0.2 divided by 3, 2 times y1 dash. Just observe the table. y1 dash is 0.1996 minus y2 dash. y2 dash is 0.39737 plus 2 times y3 dash. y3 dash is 0.5689. Just simplify it, you will get 0.3049. This is y4 of p. Now next, what is the next procedure? Next step, we need to compute y4 dash to use corrector formula. So now y4 dash is equal to, what is the differential equation? X minus y square. So x4 minus y4 square. So x4 is 0.8, y4 is, we use this one. So it is 0.3049 whole square. So when you simplify it, you will get y4 dash as 0.707. Next, we have the corrector formula. So what is the formula? y4 of c is equal to y2 plus h by 3 y2 dash plus 4 y3 dash plus y4 dash. So substituting this value, in corrector formula, again we get y4 of c as same, write down same values, just replace the y4. So now substituting all the values, you will get again y4 of c as 0.3046. Thus y4 is, y of 0.8 is 0.3046. This is by Millen's method. Now we will move on to Adams-Bashforth method. So by Adams-Bashforth method, again the procedure is same, but the formulas will be different. So first write down predictor formula. So we have predictor formula. Write down the formula, that is y4 of p is equal to y3 plus h by 24 then into 55 y3 dash minus 59 y2 dash plus 37 y1 dash minus 9 y0 dash. This is the predictor formula. Use the table will remain same. So substitute the values. Y3 0.1762 plus H is 0.2 by 24. Next 55 into Y3 dash, it is 0.5689 minus 59 into Y2 dash 0.3937 plus 37 into Y1 dash 0.1996 minus 9 Y0 dash, it is 0. So when you simplify all this, you will get 0.3049. 0.3049. This is Y4 of P. Again here also same method. We need to compute Y4 dash first before going to corrector formula. So Y4 dash is X4 minus Y4 squared. This is the equation. So it is 0.8 minus 0.3049 whole square. So when you simplify it, you will get 0.707. So next, write on the corrector formula. Next, by corrector formula, we have Y4 of C is equal to Y3 plus H by 24 into 9 Y4 dash plus 19 Y3 dash minus 5 times Y2 dash plus Y1 dash. So then Y4 of C, that is Y3 now, 1.1762 plus 0.2 by 24, 9 times Y4 dash. Y4 dash is 0.707 plus 19 Y3 dash 0.5689 minus 5 times Y2 dash 3937 plus Y1 dash 0.1996. So Y4 of C is equal to 0.3046. Since we have to use corrector formula twice, we need to find Y4 dash twice. X4 minus Y4 square, it is 0.8 minus 0.3046 whole square. So this is equal to 0.7072. Applying the corrector formula again. Corrector formula again. We get same as in the Millen's method. All the values here will be same. Instead of 0.707, you have to write 0.7072. That's it. So Y4 of C, you will get it as 0.3046. Therefore, Y4, that is Y of 0.8 is equal to 0.3046 by Adams-Bashforth method. So by both the methods, answer will be same. So in the next video, we will solve another example.